Another great Sunday night of weather. Skies clearing out, some calm winds out there after a rather warm day outside, mostly on the dry end of the weather. Now, there have been a few showers up in our northern counties, and that will be the case tonight. But we will continue to be warm there on your Monday with just a touch more humidity, with temperatures still in the 80s. We will watch for a few additional showers and storms, perhaps some increased coverage from what we had today. But the thing about them is they'll be slower moving and particularly favoring our northern and western counties tomorrow. The good news is not severe, but slower moving could mean some heavier downpours around as well. And by the middle of the week, the heat and humidity, it's back in the 90-degree temperature range there once again come Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe into Friday as well. So looking at our radar and satellite, we have had a couple showers into parts of southeastern Ohio, but they've pretty much weakened for the most part and down into the eastern mountains and southern locations as well. The rest of the region seeing plenty of sunshine out there. And our weather pattern, our area of high pressure continuing to make its way through. This is actually helping to stall this front out and keeping it blocked to our north. That is what's going to bring in the heat and humidity by the middle of the week. And those temperatures, they're going to get pretty hot out here, and it'll be summer-like weather outside once again. So on our futurecast, maybe a couple spotty showers around at 8 o'clock tonight, but the coverage definitely a lot more isolated, not as many of them out there. Some morning fog once again to start off your Monday. Temperatures in the 60s and just a touch more humid. That could set off a few morning showers into our western counties there west of Portsmouth early in the day. We'll see that activity approach our northern counties as well, 2:30, 3 o'clock. Heavy downpours are a possibility out of some of these, but the good news is they are below severe limits. A lot of dry air into our southern counties will keep this activity pretty much in a scattered fashion. And even into the evening, a few increased cloud opportunities there by 10 o'clock. And we'll watch for a brief complex of storms coming out of Ohio. That could have a few downpours into southeastern Kentucky in the early morning, but notice how this kind of dissipates before it reaches us here in Charleston. Perhaps a shower or two to Huntington, but most locations in the eastern part of our viewing area look to be dry to start off Tuesday. A few spotty showers and then sunshine by the afternoon and back up into the 80s there once again. Let's look at the heat index. This is what it actually feels like outside when we get a lot of dew point, higher numbers of the dew point, meaning there's more moisture in the air. That can make it feel uncomfortable. And what will happen this week is we will see areas of extreme caution. We get those dew points into the 90s, well, not dew points, but temperatures into the 90s and a little bit of dew point 75 or so. That can make it feel much warmer than it is outside. So let's look at that 7-day forecast. Very hot and humid for Friday. That'll be the warmest day of our forecast, and perhaps some evening showers and storms with a cold front coming into the weekend. Saturday looks to be unsettled with a pop-up storm on Sunday.